morning students. So here today we have the last part of the chapter compounds containing nitrogen. Last lecture we have covered one very important compound of nitrogen, that is aniline. Okay, same way we have one more important compound of nitrogen, that is diazonium salt, DAS. So in my notes, wherever you find this short forms, DAS will be diazonium salt. Okay, so in this part also we have to cover the preparation of diazonium salt and few important reactions of diazonium salt. So we start with the first method of preparation of diazonium salt. Preparation from aniline. The aniline, you know, if you carry out diazotization reaction for aniline in presence of sodium nitrate and HCl, okay, the compound which will be obtained is nothing but our required product, that is diazonium salt. Okay, so very simple method. And here the second method of preparation of diazonium salt is from nitrite ester. Nitrite ester. Now why it is called nitrite ester? Very important. The simple function group of ester we know in organic compounds. Okay, compounds containing ester group C double bond O, again any other alkyl group. Okay, so that will form an ester. But here with two oxygen atoms, we have one nitrogen atom here. Okay, with two oxygen atoms we have one nitrogen atom. That's why it is called nitrite ester. Okay, the name of this particular compound is amyl nitrate. Okay, or amyl nitrite. Okay, so this is particularly obtained from amyl alcohol. Okay, amyl nitrate is obtained from amyl alcohol. Okay, now this particular amyl nitrate in presence of HCl and aniline, okay, will give us diazonium salt. Okay, and again amyl alcohol is obtained back with the elimination of water molecule. Okay, so ये जो फर्स्ट रिएक्शन यहाँ पे है, diazonium salt preparation is very easy but very important reaction, and this is more important because here they are introducing a new reactant, that is nitrite ester. So this preparation is more important in this part. Now we come to the next part of the diazonium salt, that is chemical properties or chemical reactions of diazonium salt. In that first one, Sandmeyer's reaction. Now dear students, here जैसे आप देख सकते हैं अभी जैसे हम प्रोसीड करेंगे अभी नेक्स्ट पार्ट, तो यहाँ पे नेम रिएक्शंस है. ओके, नेम ऑफ द केमिस्ट. ओके, सैंडविच रिएक्शन, गैटरमैन रिएक्शन, ओके ओके, बायस-ह्यूमन रिएक्शन. तो ये जो नेम रिएक्शन है कंपल्सरीली बोर्ड एग्जाम में कौन से भी चैप्टर से नेम रिएक्शन इज अ कंपल्सरी क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो फोकस हियर. We start with our first method of preparation, okay, of a chloro compound from diazonium salt, and that is by Sandmeyer's method. So here we take diazonium salt. Okay, diazonium salt in presence of copper chloride CuCl2 in acidic medium HCl. What will happen here? Bond breaks here. यहाँ पे bond break होगा. नाइट्रोजन और कार्बन के बीच में बॉन्ड ब्रेक होता है. ओके, क्लोरीन गेट्स अटैच्ड टू दिस कार्बन एंड गेट क्लोरोबेंजीन विद द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ दिस नाइट्रोजन गैस. नाइट्रोजन गैस इज गिवन आउट, सो वी गेट क्लोरोबेंजीन कंपाउंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज Gattermann's reaction. In Gattermann's reaction again catalyst, okay, similar to this earlier reaction, that is here we have copper chloride, here we have only copper. Okay, in presence of copper and HBr. Okay, so it's very clear now here if we are using HBr. Okay, so bond breaks here, bond breaks here again, and we get bromine attached to this carbon atom. We get bromobenzene with elimination of nitrogen gas. Once again, like here we got nitrogen gas and Cl minus, this one. Okay, Cl minus. Cl minus means this H and Cl will form HCl. That also you can write, no problem. Third chemical reaction is Wahl-Schiemann reaction. Okay, and here we are going to see the formation of fluorobenzene. Okay, can you see the pattern of this reaction, how they have started? In the first reaction cylinder they prepared chlorobenzene, from diazonium salt bromobenzene, from diazonium salt in Gettermann's reaction. Wahl-Schiemann reaction they are preparing fluorobenzene. That means in general we can say that they are showing us, okay, the preparation of halobenzene, okay, by these particular three main reactions. So diazonium salt treated with HbF4. What is the name of this compound? HbF4, fluoroboric acid. क्या नाम है? fluoroboric acid. H इसलिए acid. Okay, so you get an intermediate which is a salt, and any intermediate will undergo decomposition in presence of heat or water. You can hydrolyze also, and you get fluorobenzene with the elimination of N2, okay, nitrogen gas, okay, and BF3 as a byproduct. Okay, BF3 as a byproduct. Now the next reaction here is Gomberg reaction. Okay, Gomberg reaction again it's a newly introduced reaction here. Now we will see diazonium salt. Okay, diazonium salt reacting with benzene in alkaline medium. So diazonium salt here and benzene. Okay, so what is lost here is N2 gas. Okay, N2 gas and Na and this Cl will form NaCl. Okay, and one more byproduct we have here is water. We find here that the breakage of the bond takes place here and the benzene ring gets attached to this benzene ring, and we get a very important compound as a main product here, that is diphenyl. This biphenyl, or it can be also called as or named as diphenyl. Okay, and now the next reaction is coupling reaction. Coupling reaction means, of course, you can see the coupling of two compounds. Okay, coupling reaction they have given two categories. First, coupling of the diazonium salt with phenol. Okay, and second one, coupling of diazonium salt with, okay, and aromatic amine. Okay, means alkyl aryl amine. So first we'll see the phenol. What is the coupling reaction of diazonium salt? Okay, so you take diazonium salt and phenol. Okay, we get this particular compound H. Okay, H from here and Cl from here is lost as HCl, and we get an azodide. Dye means, you know, last lecture already we have seen what are dyes. Okay, the permanent color which can be applied on fabrics. Okay, they are dyes, and here azodide because this group is called azo group. N2 bond N is azo group. That's why azodide. Now next coupling reaction, the last one is, here we have sulfonic. Okay, sodium sulfonic salt of diazonium chloride. So here this particular compound, okay, or you can say reactant, again will react with an amine, aromatic alkyl aryl amine. So it is a dialkyl aryl amine. Again coupling reaction, two compounds will get coupled with the elimination, okay, of byproducts. Now here what will happen once again? Cl this structure and the name given below this structure very important, methyl orange. Now what is methyl orange? You already know it is an indicator. Okay, and already we have seen the titration in the practicals where we have already used methyl orange as an indicator in 11th standard. Okay, so this is a structure, theoretical aspect of methyl orange, how to prepare. So dear students, with this particular concept of diazonium salt we complete this chapter, that is compounds containing nitrogen. Now as you can just see in your campus here that you are receiving the PDF and the video also, okay, on the same day for writing the concept in your chemistry copy after watching the video. Okay, so you have to understand the explanation and just go through the notes for your understanding. Okay, note submission, some students are submitting late, still submitting late, so submission has to be on time, and this chapter now notes you have to submit, keep in mind. Okay, wait for my message in the group. So we'll start with a new chapter, chemistry in everyday life. Okay, so chemistry in everyday life, directly I will be sending notes to you. It's a chapter of self study, only definition, structure, few definition structures you have to study from that chapter. Okay, so we'll continue in our next lecture. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks for today.